Okay, so this is scalping the New York session at the very beginning, and it's just gone, well, it's about 10:20, and if this will work, I'll show you how you place an order. Just go for the 30 level, and that's how you place an order. Okay, so profit target is here. So on the 5 minute it looks like that. 15 like this. 1 hour like this. So there's a definite little bit of resistance there. It's not strong resistance, but it is resistance. And we've gone back 1, 2, 3, 4 hours, 5 hours really. It hasn't recovered beyond that level, so we're looking for a small pullback. And obviously we're confident about it, otherwise we wouldn't have entered the trade. There's probably very little news coming out for the rest of the session, so if we look at, this is what you should be looking at. So US consumer confidence is negative. Nothing much else coming out with pound dollar. That's not major tomorrow. House price index probably fall there anyway because of Brexit thing. Tomorrow Carney speaks. He could upset things if he says something a bit unpredictable. But that's about all. So going back to the trade here, it's a very nice level there. I would even be tempted to put, in fact I will put another one on because that's a very good price. And there, 43, very nice. Now I'll watch these, this one I'm not that interested in putting the stop losses on because I could cancel these pretty quickly. There was a high there. Can't quite get it to work with the software. So I've had quite a run of winners there. And let's see how this develops. So very much focused on the pound dollar here. And over here, dollar yen. There's a bit of resistance in there. Not hugely convincing. I mean, the real resistance there is, this is what you should start practicing. Finding your real resistance levels. And then you look at the daily. Anyway, back to the pound. Let's not get distracted here. Focus is important. So we've got in at these levels, looking for a small pullback here. So I'll update you later on, see how we're doing. Whoop, up to 4 minutes already. I hope you enjoyed the videos. Gotta go. Take care.